understand why we lift our hands and sing praises. And people can't comprehend that when we dance we're not crazy. See, maybe they don't realize that sitting high is the Father, and this is what we were created for, nothing less or more but to worship you. And I just wanna say that yours is the best love that I've ever had. And I just wanna say that I think it's only fair that we give it back. I love you. I love you. Just to show you as I know my name, I know one thing I'll never change. I love you. No one else can compare, no one nowhere to my Savior. I mean, I get new mercies every day, and you still find room for more favor. I can't believe there ever was a time that I tried to hide who you were.